In 1994, inside a modest Seattle garage, one person stared at a number that just wouldn't stop rising: internet adoption. That person was Jeff Bezos, and he didn't just see an opportunity to sell books online. He saw the blueprint for the entire future of commerce. Today, Amazon is way more than just a retailer. It's become the operating system for our modern economy, powered by the web and supercharged by artificial intelligence. Stick with me to the end, because we're going to break down the exact decisions that transformed simple web pages into a generative AI ecosystem, and why the next 10 years will be even more revolutionary. It all started with a simple bet. If the web can index all the world's knowledge, it can definitely index all its products. So, Bezos launched Amazon as an online bookstore. The early web development choices they made were small, but incredibly precise. Pages that loaded fast, clean navigation, a shopping cart that remembered your items, and real-time inventory updates. Their famous motto, customer obsession, was literally written into the code. Things we take for granted now, like order confirmation emails, shipping updates, and one-click checkout, became the gold standard because of them. The lesson here was clear. The web isn't just a sales channel, it's a discipline. Building trust comes from reliability, speed, and clarity. Then, Amazon flipped the entire model on its head with Marketplace. Suddenly, they weren't just a seller anymore. They became the conductor of an orchestra with millions of sellers. This is when their use of data really took off. Search, ranking, and recommendations evolved from simple rules to data-driven personalization. We started seeing the first signs of machine learning with features like customers who bought this also bought to handle this massive scale. They had to build modular services, APIs, and internal tools. And this groundwork laid the foundation for their next billion-dollar idea, AWS. When Amazon Web Services launched, it completely rewired the internet as we know it. Suddenly, computing power, storage, and databases became utilities that anyone could rent, just like electricity. This cemented the idea that great web development isn't just about what you see on the screen. It's about the invisible infrastructure, the ability to monitor everything, and the power to scale instantly. This is when the true engine of Amazon was revealed. As more data flowed in, their AI models got smarter. They started predicting demand, optimizing prices, and routing packages with spooky efficiency. Then came Alexa, putting AI right into our living rooms. Voice became a new way to interact with the internet, powered by complex speech recognition and natural language understanding. At the same time, robots and computer vision started transforming their warehouses. On the surface, the website still looked familiar, but underneath, nearly every decision from search results to ad placements to delivery logistics was being made by an AI model, not a manual. Now, we're in the era of generative AI, and the entire stack is changing once again. Product descriptions, customer support, and even ad creation are being handled by large foundation models. For sellers on the platform, AI is becoming a co-pilot. It helps optimize listings, suggests ad strategies, and offers inventory insights. For developers, Amazon's relentless standards have become the industry's ambition: lightning-fast performance, serverless architecture, and AI woven directly into their workflows. The customer experience is no longer static, it's alive. Pages load instantly, adapt in real time, and can even converse with you. So what are the key takeaways from Amazon's 3DK journey? First, an obsession with speed. Shaving even 100 milliseconds off page load time directly increases sales. Second, building systems that learn data is the fuel, and AI models are the engine that continuously improves everything. And third, thinking in platforms, not just products. Marketplace and AWS created ecosystems where Amazon grows when others grow. The first decade of the web was about pages, the second was about platforms, the third was about models. This new decade is about agents, AI that can plan, reason, and act across commerce, the cloud, and code. Amazon didn't just ride the wave of the internet, it engineered it. And with AI, it isn't just predicting the future, it's building it. If you've watched this far, you're a builder at heart. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments. What would you build if the web and AI were your co-founders?